Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and of course you're viewing the How To Lady. We do a lot of things on this channel, but mostly we do DIYs and hacks that can be done in a snap. So if you're interested today, stay tuned. And we're gonna get this ball rolling and knock it out of the park. We are all about organization, DIYs, and life hacks that can be done in a snap. Today we're going to share with you some bathroom organization that's going to be awesome. I'll share with you my bathroom tour. I revamped it once again and I'm excited about it. Every girl should feel relaxed in her bathroom. I enjoyed revamping my bathroom. I did not do any major construction or anything of that nature. I just decided that I wanted to make my bathroom look a little more conducive to my master bedroom. So I went with white. I did not want to overcrowd the countertops, so I wanted to keep it nice and simple with these containers that I actually made myself, and I have a video related to that. I wanted to keep things looking clean and simple. Here's another container that I made to hold some of my bath sponges and loofahs. And I just added white towels, white on white, and I revised the curtains. Initially, I just had a swoop style balance there, but I wanted it to have a cleaner look and I couldn't find anything for the bathroom. I did not want a shade. I love blinds because I enjoy controlling the amount of light that comes into the room. So I just replaced the blinds with the more modern ones. And I just took a regular curtain and I cut it in half. And because I have that bling thing going on in my bathroom, I added just a touch of bling at the base of the curtain. And I can show you how I did that if you'd like. And I added a brown rod here because the colors in my bathroom are brown, tan, and white. And I just thought that brown curtain rod was perfect for this space. I also revamped this area. As you can see, initially I had single floating shelves. I had about 2 single floating shelves in the space, and I wanted more space. So I decided that I wanted to add 3 shelves versus just the 2, and I wanted to put up the brackets that can be lowered and adjusted or lifted, just so that you can make changes if you would like. You got it all inside. On the back of my toilet, I have this great candle that is holding a flower. I love candles. I try to use them as much as possible. I have baskets here on this shelf that holds towels and washcloths, as well as a loofah brush. Then I have additional bathroom tissue there. And then I have some of the larger bath towels in that basket. And it makes for a great space. I really like it. And it came together nicely. A white trash can in the corner. And if we will move on over to the shower, I love my shower. I like the simplistic tile that is there. We did add an additional shower head. However, I wanted to keep something cute in the actual shower because we do have seating here and on the other side. But I wanted to be able to lift out my bath salts, my candle, my towels, as well as washcloths whenever I wanted to wind down for the day. So keeping it in a space that's easily accessible and looks pretty makes for a great space. I also added some decor here at the top of the shower just to add a little touch of girliness, because I'm a girly girl, that's for sure. As I move over to this side of the bathroom, I have continued to use my makeup tray that I made quite a few years ago, and it's so easy for me to access my makeup in the morning when I'm getting ready. This is great, and if you want to know how to make that, just check it out and hit that notice in the top corner of this video. And I have some simple hand sanitizer and bath soaps that are displayed in a tray. Let's check out the cabinets. Underneath the cabinets, although the top of the counter is not cluttered, I would like for you to get a view of underneath the cabinet. As you can see, I have everything compartmentalized. My hair products, cosmetics, as well as nails. And then over here, you'll see that there are containers that I made. I have a container that have washcloths in it that I also made this as well, free of charge. The containers were, and all I did was zhuzh them up a little bit and make them look really nice and pretty. Over here, I also have containers that I keep eye products in and things like my mouthwash, lotions and things in that container. And then to really judge up how much you want to utilize your space, here I have my toothbrush. I don't like to leave it out on the counter. And I have other baskets that I just used a clip to hold the baskets, and they're easily accessible for me to continue with my grooming in the morning. This tray right here, as you see on the back wall, because I like to use all spaces, this is a tray that I made a while back. It hangs in underneath my cabinet, and it is a makeup brush cleaner. It works really well, guys. I promise you it does. It works really well. I did revamp this the pipes here, because I don't like seeing pipes under the sink, so I revised that and just made it a little cuter. And here's where I keep my washcloths that I'm currently using. Also, I revised my center drawer on my counter, and I have everything in a place, and that's where it stays, and it makes getting groomed in the morning very easy. I have my lip color in one basket. These are interlocking baskets, so they don't move around and slide around in the drawer. I have lip color, lip gloss, hairbrush, combs, hair accessories, pens, and I even have a space for an additional mirror and just other little things, night scarves, and everything has a place, and it is in that place. It makes life so much easier. On top of this drawer and the actual containers that holds my items, I have a acrylic cover, and I had that cover measured and put on this drawer, so if I ever want to sit something on top of it, I can do that without any fuss, because sometimes I'm getting ready in the morning and I just need a place to, additional space besides all the space that I have on my counter, but additional space to just sit things. So I'm sure that I will put it back where it belongs when I'm done with it. So yeah, just this has been very helpful, and I keep it cleaned off and all those great things. So if you want to know more about that, I would like you to select that notice right there in the corner of the screen, and you can check it out. The last cabinet holds all of my hair products, natural wigs, synthetic wigs, any type of hair rods. You see the blow dryer there, and they're all in containers, so I know exactly what I'm reaching for. If you would like to see more about this side of the cabinet, please check it out. I have a video, look at the right corner of the screen, I believe, and you can select that and go right to the video that talks about what I did under this cabinet. I also covered up the pipes under this cabinet as well because those pipes just aren't attractive. On the doors, I've done the same thing here for getting all that space. I've labeled these are hair nets as well as bonnets, and it's just works well for me. I love staying organized. I love knowing where my things are and where I should return them. So there you go. Love my bathroom. Love the revamp. Love how everything turned out. It is a great space. It's just right for me. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.